will be talking about the topic classifications of animals. Okay, classifications of animals. Okay, so it means we are going to talk about all about animals. Okay, let's start. You can watch the video. I don't put some sounds. Okay, so the world is full of many different types of animals. Okay, some can swim, then some can fly, and some also can breathe underwater. Okay, like this animal. Some also have skeleton. Okay, so they have bones. Some animals have no bones. Okay, like the butterflies. Okay, to help us understand the different kinds of animals, the scientists classify or sort the different animals into groups. So, two major classifications. Okay, first we have vertebrates, okay, and the invertebrates. Okay, so what are these types? Vertebrates they are the animals that have the spine or the bones. For the invertebrates, they are animals that don't have bones or spine like this one. Okay? Okay. And then vertebrates. Examples of vertebrates we have fish. Okay, so when we say backbone or spines, it looks like this.
คือ
Okay,
อันนี้จะเป็นประเภทแรกคือสัตว์ที่มีกระดูกสันหลัง backbone แปลว่ากระดูกสันหลังนะคะ
okay. And for invertebrates, we have example animals. The snail. Okay, this one, snail.
อันนี้เป็นประเภทที่สองก็คือสัตว์ที่ไม่มีกระดูกสันหลังอาทิเช่นตัวอะไรเนี่ย snail หอยทากนะคะ
Okay, and then we will talk about more about the vertebrate animals. Again, vertebrates, these are the animals that have bones or have the spines. Okay, so they are classified or they are grouped into 5. We have fish, amphibians.
amphibian ก็คือสัตว์ครึ่งบกครึ่งน้ำ
Okay, next we have the reptiles.
reptiles คือสัตว์เลื้อยคลาน
Okay, next we have the birds.
birds แปลว่าอะไรนก
And then mammals.
คือสัตว์เลี้ยงลูกด้วยนม
Okay, so we are going to talk about them one by one. Okay, so first we will talk about fish. Okay, so what are the characteristics of fish? Okay, so for the fish, they live in water.
เป็นสัตว์ที่อาศัยอยู่ในน้ำ
Okay, next, they breathe underwater using their gills and not lungs.
หายใจใต้น้ำโดยที่จะใช้เหงื่อไม่ใช้ปอด
Okay, they have scales and fins, no hair or fur.
จะเป็นสัตว์ที่ไม่มีขน
They are cold-blooded animals, okay?
เป็นสัตว์เลือดเย็นนะคะ
And then they lay many eggs.
จะเป็นสัตว์ที่วางไข่
Okay, so that is the characteristics of a fish. Okay, so please remember. Then next we will talk about amphibians. Okay, amphibians. Can you say the word? Amphibians. Okay. So what are amphibians? Okay, so amphibians, They live on land and in water.
สัตว์ครึ่งบกครึ่งน้ำจะอาศัยทั้งในบนบกและก็ในน้
Okay. Next, they can breathe with lungs and gills.
ำหายใจทางปอดได้แล้วก็หายใจทางเหงือกก็ได้
Okay. So they have moist and smooth skin.
ผิวหนังของเขาจะเป็นลักษณะที่ชุ่มชื้นลื่น
Okay, like this animal, they have smooth and moist because they can live underwater. Okay. Next, they have 4 legs, but sometimes some amphibians have no legs.
ๆมี4 ขาแต่ว่าบางชนิดมันก็จะไม่มีขาเลย
Okay, next, they have the webbed feet. Okay,
ที่เท้าของเขามันจะมีลักษณะเป็นพังผืด
okay, just like the frog. Okay, you can see the feet of the frog. Okay,
นึก
look
ถึง
at
กบที่มือของกบอะมันจะเป็นแบบพังผืด
Okay, that's why they can swim like this because they have the webbed feet.
ทำให้มันสามารถว่ายน้ำลักษณะแบบนี้ได้ในวิดีโอ
Okay, and then they are also cold-blooded.
เป็นสัตว์เลือดเย็นนะคะ
Okay, so next they also lay many eggs.
เหมือนเดิมเลยก็คือวางไข่ออกลูกเป็นไข่
Okay, so that is all about the amphibians. Next animal we have reptiles. Okay, can you repeat the word reptiles? Okay, so what are reptiles? Reptiles have scales and not fur. Okay, we have example, the snake, the crocodile, and many more. They have dry skin, and usually they lay eggs, but sometimes they leave young. Okay, don't lay eggs, they just leave the young. Okay, and then they have ear holes instead of ears.
สังเกตได้ว่าพวกสัตว์ลักษณะนี้มันจะไม่มีหูออกมาแต่มันจะมีรูคล้ายๆเป็นหูแทน
Okay, so reptiles, they have no gills. So for example, this animal, they have to go to the surface to breathe air. Okay, then they have 4 legs or sometimes no legs. Okay, the snakes have no legs. And then again, they are cold-blooded. Okay, just like the turtles. Okay. And we also have the next group is the birds. For the birds, they have feathers and wings. Okay, so they are only the animals that have feathers. And they also fly. Okay, so they lay eggs. And then they also have 2 legs. Okay, again, ear holes instead of ears. But this time they are warm-blooded. Okay, so they don't live underwater, so they are warm. Okay,
จะสังเกตว่านกนะคะจะมีขนนกและก็จะมีปีกเป็นสัตว์ชนิดเดียวเลยที่จะมีปีกมี2 ขาหูเหมือนกันหูจะไม่มีลักษณะยื่นออกมาจะมีลักษณะเป็นรูเป็นหูเข้าไปแต่อันนี้จะไม่เหมือนอย่างอื่นเลยคือไม่ใช่สัตว์เลือดเย็นแล้วนะเป็น warm blooded คือสัตว์เลือดอุ่น
okay. The next group we have the mammals. Okay, mammals. What are the characteristics of a mammal?
The most type of animal.
Okay, so mammals, they have hair or fur. Okay, and then they give birth to live young. Okay, example of this are the humans. We are mammals. Okay, so mammal mothers nurse their young with milk. They also have lungs and they need air to breathe. Also, dolphins are examples of mammals. Mammals that live on land have 4 legs and ears that stick out. Okay, so this time, the difference between mammals among other groups is that their ears are stick out. Okay, just like human beings, just like our ears. Okay, and we are also warm-blooded.
สัตว์เลี้ยงลูกด้วยนมนะคะจะเป็นลักษณะที่มีขนมีผมจับสิเราเป็นสัตว์เลี้ยงลูกด้วยนมชนิดหนึ่งจับผมตัวเองว่าเรามีผมไหมจะมีอันนี้เป็นจุดเด่นเลยก็คือเลี้ยงลูกด้วยนมนะคะสัตว์ชนิดนี้จะเลี้ยงลูกด้วยนมจะหายใจโดยใช้ปอดและก็ใช้อากาศในการหายใจจะอาศัยอยู่บนบกนะคะและก็จะหูของเขาจะไม่ลักษณะเป็นโพรงเข้าไปและจะยื่นออกมาจับที่หูของตัวเองเห็นไหมจะยื่นออกมาและก็เป็นสัตว์เลือดอุ่นนะคะ
Okay, so that are the 5 classifications of vertebrates. Okay, so can you remember what are the 5? So we have fish, we have what else? Amphibians, reptiles. What else? We have birds and also have mammals. Okay, so this time I have some activity. I will show some picture and you are going to tell me, is it a fish? Is it from the group fish, from amphibians, reptiles, birds, or mammals? Okay.
จำได้ไหมว่าแต่ละอย่างคืออะไร fish คืออะไรปลาamphibians คืออะไรอยู่ได้ทั้งบนบกทั้งในน้ำสัตว์ครึ่งบกครึ่งน้ำ next is reptiles คือสัตว์เลื้อยคลาน birds คือนกและอันสุดท้าย mammals สัตว์เลี้ยงลูกด้วยนม
Okay, so I will show some picture and you tell me what type of animal or what group of animals are they belong. Okay, ready?
เดี๋ยวทีเชอร์จะโชว์ภาพนะคะแล้วให้นักเรียนทายว่าสัตว์ประเภทนี้อยู่ในประเภทไหน
Okay, so what am I? First animal. Okay, so we have here, what animal is this? Okay, so I will call somebody to answer. Okay, can I hear Kan? Okay, Kan, can I hear Kan?
It's a mammal.
Okay, mammal. Okay, that is correct. Why is it a mammal? Can you please read, Kan?
อ่านสิอ่านดิ
I am a mammal. Why? Because, now please read, my body is
A mammal have a
hair, right?
yes.
Okay, or fur. Okay, so I feed my babies on milk. Okay, so this is the tiger. I give birth to live young. Okay, so when the tiger has a baby, it looks like him or her. It looks like her. Okay, so they don't lay eggs, right? Okay,
Yes.
so very good. Then. Okay, so next picture. Okay, so what animal is this? Okay, so can I call? Please raise your hand who wants to answer. This is a frog. Yes, that is right. Okay, can I call Yes, raise your hand. Konsu. Okay, Konsu. What type of animal is this? What group? Okay, can I hear from Konsu?
Oh, amphibians. Amphibians.
Amphibians. Okay, that is correct. Okay, can you read? Can you read? Why is it an amphibian?
อ่านซิทำไมตอบข้อนี้
Okay, why? My body is moist and smooth. I lay eggs. I like to live in or near the water. Okay, so that is correct. It is an amphibian. Very good. Okay, so are you ready? Next picture. Okay, do you know what's this? What animal is this? Raise your hand. Who wants to answer? Can I call Noah? Okay, Noah. Okay. Do you know what animal is this?
Bird.
Okay, bird. Why is it a bird? Can you please read?
Because it can fly.
Okay, it can fly. And what about the body? It has
Wings.
wings. Okay, and its body is covered with feathers.
Sata.
Okay, that's right. Very good. Next one. Also they lay eggs and then hatch out into chicks. Okay, we call also chicks for the quail bird. Okay, this bird is called quail. Okay, so next one. Next picture. What about this? Do you know what's this? Can I call Mr. Can turn on your camera.
ไหนใครตอบได้
Raise your hand. Okay, bright. Okay, bright. What animal is this?
สังเกตดีๆนะ
อ่านยากจัง
If this animal is this is a bat, right?
Yeah, it is hard.
Okay, just try. Give your answer. Just try. What What do you think is the answer? Just give answer. Try.
Brand?
Bird? You try bird?
No.
Okay. What is your final answer?
Brand?
You answer amphibian. Did you answer amphibian? Okay. Remember, amphibians, these are animals that live both in water and in land. But this animal, does it live in water?
No.
No, so it's not an amphibian. Okay, who will try to answer this animal? Okay, thank you, Bright. Who will answer? Jerapat? Yes, Mr. Lukel. Okay. What is the answer, Mr.
I
Lukel?
will answer mammals.
Mammals, okay, very good. Okay, so why is it a mammal? Okay, can you please read why? Very good, Mr. Lukel. Can you please read?
After I have wings, I am in fact a mammal. My body is covered with hair, not feathers. I feed my babies on milk. I do not lay eggs.
Okay, very good, Mr. Lukel. That's right. So this is not a bird, but this is a mammal. Okay, remember that birds have feathers, but this one, a bat, is no feather. They only have hair on their body. Okay, so this is a mammal. Another, we have this animal. Okay, so this animal, what is this? Can I call Mr. Can I call Miss Nampa? Okay. Nampa, how are you? Hello, how are you, Nampa?
Fine. Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you.
Very good. So what is your answer? What is the answer? By the way, what is the name of this animal? What animal is this?
Crocodile.
Crocodile, that's right. So what group? What group? What is your answer? Is it a fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, or mammals?
Reptile.
Reptiles. Okay, that is right. Very good. Okay, can you please read why? Okay, so this is a reptile because. Okay, who wants to read? My body is covered with
What
a
is
scale. Okay, that's right. And
I
lay
know it.
egg. Okay, very good. That's right. Okay. Next picture. Another picture. What about this animal? Do you know what animal is this? Can I call Mr. Who else? Mr. Angpao. Lekti Sipsong. Okay, what animal is this?
Fish.
Fish. Very good. Okay, it is a fish. Why? Because the body is cold to touch and is covered with scales. I lay eggs and I use gills to breathe with underwater. Okay, so you're very good. You're doing a great job. Okay, so next activity, I will not show any pictures, but you will be the one to give examples. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so next activity, you are going to give me examples of the following. Can I call Namon? Okay. Miss Namon, can you give me example of a reptile? What animal is an example of a reptile? Okay, Namon, can turn on your microphone. Okay. What animal is an example of a reptile? Crocodile. Okay, crocodile. Can I hear Mr. Chayot? Hello, Chayot. How are you? Are you okay? How are you?
Yes.
Okay. Can you give me example of birds? Example
I
of
don't know.
okay. Okay, so who can give example of a bird? You can turn on your microphone. Fresh. Where is fresh? Here. Okay, fresh. Okay, give example of a bird. Can you turn on your microphone? Okay. Okay. Can give example of a bird.
A bird.
Yes.
Parrot.
Parrot. That's right. Very good. Okay, last two and we finished our class. Again, please, what animal, Mina?
Deer.
Deer. Okay, that's right. Deer. So deers are example of a mammal animal of animals, and then the different groups of the vertebrates. Okay. Next meeting we'll be talking about the other type of animal, the invertebrates. Okay. So, is there any question?
No.
Okay.
Teacher, have homework or don't have homework?
I will give video for you to watch more about this topic, okay?
Okay.
Today, no homework because we will continue next meeting for science topic, okay?
วันนี้ไม่มีแบบฝึกหัดนะคะเดี๋ยวจะส่งวิดีโอย้อนหลังให้ดูในกลุ่มนะคะ
Okay, and I will give you your my PowerPoint for you to study. Okay, so no more question. Thank you for listening.
Bye. Bye.
เรียนนักเรียนทำเรื่องของการ เด็กๆเด็ก
อะไรนี่
ๆเด็ก
ทำความเคารพ
Is that all for today, Unet?
ๆหัวหน้าห้องไหมเนี่ยนักเรียน
ที่ครับที่หัวหน้าห้องครับให้กับเชิญผู้ชักการและหัวหน้าห้องครับไปyes sir คุณแอนหัวหน้าห้องครับคุณแอนบ๊ายบาย You know really bye bye
Bye everyone.
Goodbye.